Hi friends, I am Abhishek और आप देख रहे हो एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन गुरुजी. So today we will discuss about geometry. So I will show you some effective tricks for exam preparation. Okay. So it is a request video. Please see this video till end. If you like this video, please subscribe and share this video. Okay. Let's start. So in the first example, we will check about hexagon. Okay. So we know what is hexagon. Hexagon looks like this. Okay. It has 6 sides. Correct. So as per question, what is the ratio of area of place 1BEF ratio of area 1BEF is to the full hexagon, that is ABCDEF. A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. So this is the question. We'll see how we can solve it. Okay. Let's see. So in this diagram, if we'll see, this is the center and each side should have same value. Let's take the value as A. So AB, BC, CD, DE, EF and AF all is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. Now if we'll connect these, then the whole angle, the total angle is 360. Okay. How many triangle creates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is the angle of each of these? Tell me. So each of these is 360 divided by 6, that is 60 degree. Okay. Now the value of this one and this one is similar. So this angle and this angle should be similar. Okay. So we know the triangle of a triangle is 180. So 60 that we already have, this one plus 2 of theta, if we will consider this as a theta, 180. That means 2 theta 120, theta 60. So it is a equilateral triangle. Correct? All of the sides are same. That means if this is A, this is also A, this is also A. We know what is the area of a equilateral triangle, that is √3 by 4 of A square. If this is the area of equilateral triangle, then how many triangle inscribed in a hexagon? We know 6. Correct? So 6 into √3 by 4 A square, this is the area of hexagon. What is the area of this quadrilateral, this portion? This portion has only 3. This is number 1, this is number 2 and this is number 3. 3 triangle and all of them has same area. So the area of this portion, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, right? And this is A, B, E and F. This one is 1, 2, 3, 3 cross √3 by 4 A square. So now it is very easy. Now we can easily say what is the ratio. How we will say? first this one divided by this one, so tell me 3 root 3 by 4 a square divided by 6 root 3 by 4 a square as per this, okay. So 1:2, this is the answer, okay. This is very conceptual. So anyhow, if you will get any kind of questions related to hexagon, you can easily solve because you have all these concepts clear, right? What could be the angle, what could be the values, what could be the how many triangle, this is the equilateral triangle, how many equilateral triangle in a hexagon, what is the area, okay, this kind of. One more thing I just want to add here, in some question you will get what is the value of BE. So BE equals to 2 of AF or AB, whatever, okay. So if this value is A, this value is also A, so this value should be 2 of A. So BE equals to 2A, okay. In this diagram, in this quadrilateral, this value should be 2A, this value A, okay. Fine, because this is A, this is also A, so it would be 2A only, okay. We'll now see some concepts about circle. So now I will show you some tricks or some formulas of circles, okay. So one by one I will show you 5 formula today, so just see this video till end, okay. And if you have any kind of questions or any kind of comments or any topics you want to see regarding geometry, you can mention in the comment box, okay. So I'm drawing one circle. This is the circle. Everyone know this is R radius, this is the diameter, this is called chord, this is circumference. So diameter we know 2r, so circumference is 2 pi r. Pi r square is area of a circle. Chord could be any value, okay. Whenever chord creates any triangle, so these, if we will consider these as a theta, we can say this is also theta, this is also theta, this is also theta. So values of these angles would be same, okay. This is trick number 1. We have many questions in many competitive exams or board exams. It's like if this value is 40 degree, then what is the value of this one? So it is very easy, right? If it is 40 degree, then this is also be 40 degree only as per this rule, okay. Now let's see the another rule. This is rule number 1. Now rule number 2. This is the center, so this is the diameter. So if it will create one triangle with diameter, then this angle should be always 90 degree. If it is creates here on also, it would be 90 degree only, okay. So this is rule number 2, okay. Okay, let's check the rule number 3. So in this rule, if we will consider a chord that is here and center is this one, if this chord is will create two triangle, one is this, another with center, in that case, if this angle is theta, this angle should be 2 of theta. Okay, so this is another trick you can use whenever you will get questions in exam or in the competitive exams. Okay, so if this is theta, this is 2 theta. So if in question it will be mentioned like what this value is 40 degree or 50 degree, then this value should be 2 of theta, that means 100 degree. Okay, we can also see like this one is a bit more than this one, so it's 100 degree only. Okay, I'm not going to derive or prove these methods or tricks today. I will only discuss about the rules. Okay, so these will help in your exams. So next rule is rule number 4. So as per rule number 4, if we have one circle, let's take one circle, this is one circle, and within that circle we have one quadrilateral. Okay, center is this. In that case, the value of this angle and this angle, I mean sum of this angle and this angle, this is x and this is y, then x plus y would be 180 degree. Okay, similarly, if this is A and this is B, so A plus B should be 180 degree only. So this is another formula or tricks. So if somebody will ask you like the value of this angle is 75 degree. Okay, so what is the value of this angle? So 75 plus x 180, x 180 minus 75, 105 degree. That's it. So it is 105 degree. This is how you can easily solve the problems. Let's see the last rule. Okay, these rules are very important, so just take a note of these rules. If you have any questions of any of these rules, you can mention in the comment box. So rule number 5. In this rule, if we have one circle, this is a circle, and within this circle it has one quadrilateral. So they have provided the value of this angle. Let's suppose this is 120 degree, and they have asked you value of this angle. So you have to check what is the value of this angle. Okay, so we know this value and this value should be 180 degree. So if this is x and this is 120, so what is this value? This value is only 60. So if this value 60, this value should be 180 minus 60, 120 only. So this is 120 degree. Easy, right? So they can ask you what is the value of this angle or this angle as per requirement.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment your valuable feedback.